Welcome student. Now in this class we will discuss some theoretical part of aromatic compound, aromatic hydrocarbon or particularly benzene. See, we know benzene undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. This is monosubstituted benzene. This is monosubstituted benzene. Okay, means having only hydrogen. All the 6 carbon atom possesses hydrogen. Okay, attached with hydrogen, and all these hydrogen atom are identical. All these hydrogen atom are exactly identical chemically. Okay, suppose if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction means we have to replace one of the hydrogen atom by electrophile. For example, E plus is a electrophile. Then this E plus will going to replace one of the hydrogen atom from this benzene, and so this E plus it can replace any one of the hydrogen atom, anyone, because all are identical, so we can replace anyone. Suppose if we replace this, then what happen? Then the product obtained is like this. E will be here and remaining are hydrogen here. Now how many hydrogen remaining? 5. In monosubstituted benzene 6 hydrogen atom was there, and in this here after reaction one of the hydrogen get replaced by E, where E is the electrophile. Then we get this. This is monosubstituted. It is it is not plain benzene. It is plain benzene, simple unsubstituted benzene. And here now product obtained monosubstituted benzene. Okay. If we can perform nitration, sulfonation, acylation, alkylation, chlorination, bromination. So now in monosubstituted benzene total hydrogen atom remaining are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, the carbon atom having attachment with E, that carbon atom get number 1, and from this side or that side both sides are same. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4, 5 and 6. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now see, in this reaction what happened? This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now here these 5 hydrogen atom are not identical with each other. In case of plain benzene all the hydrogen atom was identical, exactly identical chemically, but after aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction there is replacement of one of the hydrogen atom by electrophile. Then the product obtained, that is monosubstituted benzene. In this monosubstituted benzene remaining 5 hydrogen atom are not identical with each other, but carbon the hydrogen attached to carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 are identical with each other. These 2 hydrogen, which 2 hydrogen? Carbon number 2 and carbon number 6. The hydrogen attached to carbon number 2 and carbon number 6, they are called carbon C2 and C6, hydrogen. They are called orthohydrogen, and they are identical with each other. They are identical with each other, exactly identical. Okay, and the hydrogen attached to carbon number 3 and carbon number 5 are also identical. They are called meta, as we have discussed already, meta hydrogen. And hydrogen attached to carbon number 4, that is called para, we know. Okay, now and again if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction by taking with this monosubstituted benzene, then what happens? See, if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, then we get only one product, monosubstituted benzene, because we can replace any hydrogen and we can attach electrophile at any one of the position of the 6. Okay, therefore we get single product. But now consider if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction of monosubstituted benzene. In case of monosubstituted benzene, there are three types of hydrogen atom present. Three. Which three? Two hydrogen atom are ortho, two hydrogen atom are meta, and one hydrogen and para. Okay. These two hydrogen atom are ortho, these two hydrogen atom are meta, and this para. And if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, okay, by any electrophile, this G, for example G, then this G going to replace one of the hydrogen atom from different position. But which position? Because these five positions are non-identical with each other, therefore this G plus has three choices. This G plus can either replace hydrogen atom from ortho position or meta position or para position. Suppose if this G replace hydrogen atom from ortho position, then we get product like this. G will be here, or on that side also, because these two positions are identical, so therefore we can attach here also. Okay, right? Just okay, this type of product obtained. Ortho, this is called ortho substitution. Ortho substituted product, di substituted product, or 1,2 substituted product. Now if this G going to replace hydrogen atom from meta position, then we get this type of product. Or if this G replace hydrogen atom from para position, then we get product like this. Okay, so this is called di-substituted benzene. The product obtained are known as di-substituted benzene. Okay, so we have three choices of di-substituted product. Either we will have ortho-substituted product, para-substituted product, or meta-substituted product. If G replace ortho hydrogen, then we get ortho product. If that G means any electrophile, it may be ortho group, nitro group, para, chloro, hydro, any. Okay, so this G can replace ortho, then ortho product. If the G replace meta, then meta product, and if the G replace para, then we get para product. But actually what happened? We never get all this product. But in actual reaction, we will have either meta product, meta di-substituted product, or ortho and para di-substituted product. Ortho and para product obtained side by side. Okay, so therefore which product obtained, that is depend upon either you will get ortho and para substituted product or meta di-substituted product. In some reaction you will get ortho and para di-substituted product combinedly, and in some of the reaction you will get meta di-substituted product. But which product obtained? Actually this is depend upon the group already present on the benzene ring. The group already been present on benzene ring means that E. What is the nature of E? E will decide whether you will get ortho and para di-substituted product or meta di-substituted product. Okay, see, this we will discuss by taking particular example. Let us see nitration. Okay. Just take phenol. Phenol is a monosubstituted benzene. This is benzene, and this benzene group ring having hydroxyl group. This is called phenol. Phenol is a monosubstituted benzene. Okay, monosubstituted benzene, and this phenol having 5 hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so out of this 5 hydrogen, these 2 hydrogen atom position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The hydrogen attached to carbon number 2 and carbon number 6 are called orthohydrogen. They are identical with each other. And the hydrogen atom attached to carbon number 3 and carbon number 5 are known as metahydrogen, and hydrogen attached to carbon number 4 is known as parahydrogen. Okay, now in phenol, three types of hydrogen are present: two orthohydrogen, two metahydrogen, and one parahydrogen. So out of this five hydrogen, orthohydrogen and parahydrogen atom are chemically identical. It is found that the reactivity of ortho and parahydrogen atom is identical. Okay, if we are going to replacing orthohydrogen, then there is a chances of replacing parahydrogen. If we are replacing parahydrogen, then it is possible to have orthohydrogen get replaced. Okay, that's why ortho and para product obtained simultaneously. Now just take example of this phenol and perform nitration. Nitration means replacement of hydrogen by nitro group. Here concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. This is called nitrating mixture, and they are going to producing NO2 plus nitronium ion, nitro group. Okay, nitronium ion will give, and that is electrophile, and this electrophile will going to replace one of the hydrogen atom. Okay, so in this reaction, actually this nitro group, this NO2 plus electrophile only replace hydrogen atom from ortho position and para position, not from meta. Okay, so we will have mixture of product ortho O nitrophenol, OH group remain as it is, NO2 will be here or there, same thing, plus this nitro group get replace hydrogen atom from para position. Okay, this type of product obtained, and you will never get meta in this reaction. Never meta, this product never form. Okay, only O nitrophenol and P nitrophenol is the only product obtained in this reaction. Okay, it means what it indicate, which hydrogen, that nitro group replacing which hydrogen, ortho, meta and para. This nitro group having three choices of hydrogen to replace. Either it can replace ortho hydrogen, meta hydrogen or para. But NO2 group only replace hydrogen atom from para and ortho position and not from meta. So this is only depend upon the group or substituent already present on the benzene ring. In this benzene ring, the group already present, that is OH group. OH group is present, and that group will decide the incoming electrophile. Means nitro group will going to replace which hydrogen, either ortho, para or meta. Okay, that is totally depend upon the group already present on the benzene ring. Here OH group. This OH group will direct, in another way we can say that this OH group will give direction to this NO2 plus electrophile to replace hydrogen atom from ortho and para position and not from meta position. So this is called, this concept is known as directive influence of substituent, directive influence or orientation of group in the reactivity. Okay, now here this OH group will provide instruction to this NO2 plus to replace hydrogen atom from ortho and para position and not from meta position. Therefore this OH group is called ortho para directing group. Okay, now on the basis of this reactivity or concept, all these groups, functional groups, are classified into two types. One is ortho para directing group. Here OH group directing this NO2 plus to replace hydrogen atom from ortho and para position. Therefore this OH group is called ortho para directing group or OP group. OP group means whenever we perform perform the reaction on the benzene ring having ortho-para directing group, any group which is ortho-para directing, and if we perform the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction on that compound, then you will get only ortho and para product, never meta. This is called ortho-para directive influence of the functional group. Okay, so this is one type, ortho-para directing group. And suppose in another reaction, just consider nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is also monosubstituted benzene, nitrobenzene. And if we perform same reaction nitration, then see what happen. Means there is replacement of hydrogen by nitro group. Nitro NO2 plus is the electrophile in this reaction. Then what happen? You will get only meta disubstituted product. This NO2 group only replace hydrogen atom from meta position, either this or that. Okay, it means which hydrogen get replaced by NO2 group, either ortho position, hydrogen from ortho position, meta position or para, will only depend upon the group or functional group present on the benzene ring, already present on the benzene ring. Okay, so in this reaction in nitrobenzene, nitro group is present on this benzene ring. That this group will decide the next incoming electrophile will attach at which position, ortho, para or meta. Okay, so in this reaction particularly, this incoming electrophile NO2 plus replacing meta hydrogen, and not from ortho position and para position, only meta position. So meta dinitrobenzene is the product obtained. Okay, not para or ortho. Okay, it means this group is meta directing. This group is meta directing. So all the groups, functional groups, are classified into two types: ortho para directing group or meta directing group. Here OH group is ortho para directing group because incoming electrophile NO2 plus in this reaction, in this nitration reaction, incoming electrophile is going to attach at ortho and para position and never attach at meta position. Therefore this OH group is called ortho para directing group. And in this reaction nitrobenzene, this incoming electrophile NO2 plus will going to replacing hydrogen atom from meta position and not from ortho and para. It means it is meta directing group. So this nitro group is meta directing. So on the basis of this observation, all the functional group or groups have been classified into two types. All functional group, okay, means OH alkyl group, acyl group, nitro group, amino group, then methoxy, alkoxy group, and so on. Carbonyl group, aldehyde group, carbonyl group, acidic group, acid group, ester group. So all these groups are classified into two types on the basis of their reactivity. Okay, orientation. See, one is ortho para directing group. Ortho para directing group means what? If one of the group from this present in the benzene ring, where G is the group, and if one of the group is present on the benzene ring, and if we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction with that compound, then the incoming electrophile, next incoming electrophile will going to attach at ortho and para position and not at meta position. Then that group G is said to be ortho para directing group. Okay, ROP directing group. Then these such groups are OH group, amino group, secondary amine, tertiary amine, and then alkoxy group. So all these groups are ortho-para directing group. These are ortho-para directing group. Ortho-para directing group. If one of the group from this category present in the benzene ring, and then next incoming electrophile will attach at ortho and para position and not at meta. So these you will find these groups which are ortho para directing normally electron releasing group. They are electron releasing group. So all ortho para directing group are electron releasing group, ER group, ER group. Remember, okay? And another type is meta directing. Meta directing group. Meta directing group means what? If we perform aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction with this monosubstituted benzene ring, and then the product obtained is meta substituted disubstituted, means incoming electrophile will going to attach at meta position and not on ortho position or para position. That is called meta directing group. And for example, this group acyl group, not acyl, here alkyl group, nitro group. Nitro group is meta directing group. Then aldehyde group, then keto group, then cyanide group, cyano group, then carboxylic acid, ester. These groups are meta directing, and you will find all these groups are electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. Okay, so all the electron withdrawing group are meta directing, and all electron releasing group are ortho para directing. So these, on the basis of this reactivity or reaction, whole groups, functional groups are classified into two types: ortho para directing group and meta directing group. Remember, this is very important during the writing the product. Okay, so in next class we will discuss why they are ortho para directing group and why they are meta directing group. We will try to explain on the basis of electronic concept. Okay, thank you very much.